I swear my Gumball Machine is not rigged, but you wouldn't believe that if you were just in the shop in the last 30 minutes because I just had 7 different people play the $20 and win a vintage lighter. Each one back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Good luck. Break the bank. Rack, can you pause it?
Windshield lighter.
Windshield lighter. What?
That's beautiful.
Right, come on, Mel. Oh, boom. Good luck, break the bank.
Thank you. Warren Pinup Zippo lighter.
Warren Pinup Zippo lighter. Bam.
Oh.
Bam. I tried to overfill it. Break of the bank.
Thanks so much.
Okay. Oh, hey!
Oh.
Bam, bam. Bam. All right.
Yeah.
Good luck. Break the bank. Oh. Oh, I wrote that. I know what that is.
Bottle
that is...
lighter from 1940.
Let's go. Michigan. All right, boom. Just like that, and...
Dude, that's sick.
Oh, there you
This
go.
is like Chuck E. Cheese for you.
Yeah. I just love a game.
Bomb.
Give me that ball.
Bong, 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 bong.
Filigree Zippo? Like, just be careful.
Yeah, well, obviously.
Filigree.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Good luck. Break the bank. Piece of paper.
We got
Salem
flat lighter.
Bang bang. Bam. That is yours.
Black shroom lighter.
Black shroom lighter. What? 7 different customers in a 20 to 30 minute time span. Won 7 different lighters.